Did you know that there's a brand new website where you can transition the knowledge that you already have into thousands of dollars online? This brand new website will allow you to earn up to $7,500 monthly working from home. Let's take, for example, you're passionate about mathematics or programming or religion or science or zoology, biology, anything that you can think of, interior design, humanities, religion, as I said, music therapy, political science, literature, film, animation, anthropology. You can take all of this knowledge that you already have, and the best part is I'm going to show you how, if you have none of this knowledge at all, you can still earn up to $7,500 a month using this brand new website. I always like to say on my YouTube channel that learning skills is the best way to make money online. Now that is what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. This is the perfect opportunity to use the knowledge and skills that you already have to make money online. Now, a lot of you have probably come across people on the internet asking you for money to make money with Bitcoin money or promising 200% return on a trading investment. Now, my number one rule is the best way to make money is to learn how to do skills yourself and execute them. That is the best way to make money online. Never pay other people to do it for you. The job is just not the same. So this is one of the strategies where you can offer the knowledge that you already have and make tons of money. Specifically on this website, you can make $7,500 a month remotely from anywhere in the world. Whether you're from South Africa, United States, India, all you need is a webcam, a phone, or a PC would be ideal, an internet connection, and you can make money doing this. Recently, with the COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of students have been taking courses from home. Now, this is the perfect opportunity to capitalize on an opportunity like this. And you can choose your own hours. You don't have to work a 9 to 5. You can do this part-time, full-time, as a side hustle or as a main income. I mean, $7,500 is over 6 figures in my country, which is South Africa, which is a very wealthy salary. So I really recommend, if you are passionate in wanting to make money online, this is a perfect opportunity for a beginner. This is not going to be affiliate marketing or the usual kind of content I make. This is going to be all about $1 billion industry, which is selling high valuable information. So that website we're going to come over to, guys, is this website over here called studypool.com, where you will get paid working from home, tutoring students all over the world. Now, if you just take a look at some of the advantages of this website compared to a normal job, the freedom and the flexibility with this website. Firstly, lowest service fees. You can starting at 20%. Studypool charges the lowest fees in the market. We like to give our tutors what they earn. So meaning whatever information you're selling, Tutorpool only takes 20%. Most websites like this usually take 50, even sometimes more than half of your money when you sell these kind of courses or information. It is a reliable income. You can make good money using nothing more than the knowledge that you have and literally your keyboard in front of you. This is full freedom and flexibility because you can choose when to work, where you want to work from. There's no boss, no rules that you have to follow, no offices, no quotas. You create your own schedule and work how you want. I just want to show you what you can actually teach on this website. It fits for any person in this world. I mean, surely something out of all of these niches, I'm going to go through them with you now, you are passionate about. So you've got business over here, which is about accounting, advertisements, biotechnology, Facebook marketing, hospitality, international trade, sales, supply chain, PowerPoint courses, entrepreneurship, data analytics, communications, business plans, law, journalism. I mean, I'll put it on the screen. You can read through it. I'm sure there is something that you are passionate about. And then you've got humanities over here, which is all about animation, architecture, art, religion, linguistics, which is languages, literature, women's studies, ethnic studies. I mean, I'll leave this on the screen here as well so you can read through this. We've got mathematics over here. So for those of you that are really academic and good at maths, this is the perfect opportunity to make money. If you're a student in school or good at maths at university or school, you can now make money in school at the same time. You've got algebra, applied maths, discrete maths, geometry, number theory, trigonometry, statistics, set theory, probability, everything that you can think of, you can now go and make money from. Programming. I love programming. I did IT in university and school. Java, C programming, C#, C++, Clojure, CoffeeScript, Perl, Pascal, Pinterest, WordPress, website design, anything that you can go and think of. you can make money off this website over here. Then we've got for the science people over here, your astronomy, astrophysics, biochemistry, geographic information, zoology, sustainability, and then writing over here for all of your writers. So this website suits anybody that wants to make money with all of these topics over here. Now, I just quickly want to show you some of the highest earners on this website. I mean, you are talking about 6 figures from some of the people that are tutoring on this site. Henry, who seems like a 5-star professor, has made nearly $600,000 tutoring on this website since its existence. I mean, if I have a look, this website, let's just have a look at the about page. If there is one, okay, I can't find one over here. But I do not think this website is old at all, and he's made close to 6 figures. I mean, this is over close to 10 million rand in my country. Robert over here, 392,000. Agenta, which is 347,000, he or she has earned. Casimir, 200,000. Peach Black, $170,000. They have made teaching their passions on this website. And if I zoom in on the screen over here, now accepting tutors from all over the world. Like I said, anybody can sign up here. So how does tutoring at Studypool work? Apply to be a tutor. Once your application is approved, you'll be able to browse live questions on site, bid on questions you're interested in, providing explanations, and by suggesting a price and delivery time. If the student would like to work with you, they will pay an advance payment of your requested price, which will be held by Studentpool while the question remains open. During your session with the students, your job is to provide explanations and help the students solve their questions with the agreed upon time limits. Once a final answer has been submitted and the student has approved the answer, your payment will be released to you. So it's as easy as that. Students ask you questions, you provide answers. Once they approve it, you get paid thousands of dollars off this website. You introduce yourself, answer a couple of questions. You can study full-time on Studypool. Questions are posted 24/7 every day of the year, so you can work every day of the week if you want to. So there's constant work for you to make money online. Seasonality, you've got February to June, which is the most busy times. Summer, less busy. September to mid-December, busy. Mid-December to mid-January, very quiet. As obviously that is holiday time. So, I mean, you also got your own holidays and you can go and work during the mid-year. Why tutor at Studypool? Again, work whenever you want. You've got protection and tax benefits as well. So you're classified as an independent contractor working for Studypool, as you may be qualified for certain tax benefits, including deductions. So tax may be excluded when getting paid off Studypool. Once you've signed up as a tutor with your email, username and password and created your account, you'll be prompted up with a couple of recent questions that look like this. So over here, this person basically wants a simple sentence employment law question, and you'll get paid $4 for answering that basic law question. So as you can see, I mean, $10, what are the 4 C's and the 4 P's? If you can answer that, you can literally paste that question into Google, get the answers, and you will get paid $10 for that. An original upbeat instrumental song for a marketing video, you can literally go and Google an original upbeat instrumental song for a marketing video, submit that, and get paid $10. As you can see, it's not a lot of money at once, but if you go and do all of this, it adds up to a lot of money, and you will get a lot more questions than this. I mean, I've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is close to $100 today already, just answering these basic questions, which you can go and answer on Google. And here's another trick that you can go and do. If you want to go and tutor in any of these categories, such as algebra, let's take algebra as an example, and you want to tutor in algebra, you can come over to udemy.com, which is a free and paid course website, and literally take a free course on algebra and take that information that you learn on Udemy and go and teach that on Studentpool over here, and literally make money of information that you've just learned for free. So take a look here. If I search algebra on Udemy, algebra, we click on enter, you will find a whole bunch of algebra courses over here. So firstly, these are all paid courses. What you need to do is click on the price and click on free courses over here. So here you can see is a Python for linear algebra, mastering linear algebra and group theory for 2021, basic algebra. These are all free courses that you can go and take on Udemy. You literally just click on the course. You need to sign up an account over here, and you can click on enroll now, and you can watch all 2 hours of this course of basic algebra and literally go and teach the same information on studypool.com over here and get paid $7,500 a month, specializing in the algebra category. And then there are various different ways that you can tutor on studypool.com. So firstly, you can answer questions like I showed you over here, basic questions, and get paid for that. Otherwise, if you hover over the study tools over here, you can do homework Q&A with the students, question and answers, note banks, book guides, in-person tutoring, scholarships, and video tutoring, which is my favorite, as that is the one where you can tutor via video like this and do it remotely all over the world. So take a look at this. They support over 2,000 student clubs such as Harvard, Hong Kong, MIT Student Society, North Arizona University, Georgia Institute of Technology, so some of the top universities in the world. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on video tutoring over here. You can click on learn more, log in with that same tutoring account that you created earlier, and you can go get started with video tutoring through your laptop and screen anywhere in the world. And then take a look at this, guys. Studypool makes getting paid so easy for tutors. Tutors can withdraw their earnings via various methods as listed on the withdraw page, which includes PayPal, direct to bank, and wire transfer. So wherever you are in the world, this website automatically does the conversion to your currency, and you will get paid in your local currency, where you can withdraw that into cash and spend that how you like. Outstanding refunds are for questions that have been refunded after the pending balance have been transferred to your balance. So they deduct outstanding refunds. So that means if you don't answer a question or something like that, or if you miss a question, you obviously won't get paid for that, and the student will have to get refunded for that. Commissions: Studypool has a lower commission rate than other tutoring platforms. Our commissions rate range from 15 to 32%. I mean, if we click on view more here, even 30% as the highest is not high at all. Okay, obviously you have to log in with your account over here, and a lot of platforms like other tutoring platforms take well over 50%. That's half your money. 15%. That means if you make $10,000 in a month from this website, you get to keep $8,500, which is a lot of money. Most websites would take more than half of that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave an awesome bonus for you guys on the screen over here. I'm going to leave a couple of my Forex trading playlists on how I've turned $100 into $1,000, making $20 every couple of minutes off the stock and Forex markets, using a specific strategy called major swing levels, order block strategy, and the relative strength index indicator are my main three strategies I use to literally make profits every time I trade. So what you can consider is all the salaries and profits that you make on studypool.com over here, you can reinvest into stock markets with my strategy and grow your income from there. They say wealthy people reinvest their money to make money on their money. Poor people buy expensive liabilities such as cars and expensive handbags, etc. So decide which person you are. This playlist over here will help you how to get started with the Forex markets and investing your money into currency pairs and stocks. So make sure to click on this playlist over here. It will really help you out, and I'll see you over there.